Traders, how you doing out there? It's Monday, November 29th. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving weekend. Going to make this one short, sweet, but very invaluable. This is a technique that I use. It's critical to my development. I think it's critical to future development of traders that want to nail this technical trading thing. So pay close attention. I promise I won't keep you long. This particular stock gapped up today. Now, what you need to do is look for this pattern here. You'll see I've got the chart backed up to where it's about 10:50 in the morning. And you move the chart forward bar by bar. And now you know, if you trade my method, you're looking for a breakout above these highs. Sure enough, there it is. So what you need to see is you need to train your brain that this is the pattern that you're looking for. Now, it does no good to see this because now it's too late, right? It's too late to get in here. So the purpose of backing up these charts is to A, train your brain what you need to be looking for pattern-wise, as well as how to manage this thing. You can look back and say, okay, how am I going to manage this stock? Bar by bar, via pivots. How am I going to maximize the gains of this trade? And where will I re-enter to add to this position? Or where will I sell out and go short? There's so many different options in this game, and you can go any direction you want as a nimble individual trader with your own personal account. You've got an advantage over everybody in that you don't have giant shares you have to move, and you can be quick, in and out like a ninja, right? So here it is, pulling back, giving you another setup for a long. Get another pullback, retest of the low, little shakeout here, buy above these highs, and bam, there we go, and it's moving. So now you're managing. How are you managing your profits, right? It's a pretty good move, and so on and so forth. And now, are you looking for another entry? Or are you looking to short it, and so on and so forth? Too many people pull up the chart and they see this, and they say, oh, well, I see you can get in here and here and here, and those are the proper entries. Don't get me wrong, but this does nothing for your brain. This does nothing for future. I mean, what good is it to be able to go back and say this is where you should have got in after you see what happened? You need to train your brain to look at stuff before it happens, so that this gets burnt into your brain and your memory system. Seen as another example from today, you had a pullback here. The big move was right here at this one. This is what we're looking for, right? Came down, came back up, pulled back. This was your entry here, and look at this thing just take off. So remember, burn this in your brain and use this technique on your smaller time frames. And you could use this on daily charts with weekly and monthlies. You could do the same thing on any time frame. So, but I use it for the smaller time frames as well as for my swing trades. Anyways, hope you found this useful, guys. Have a great week. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving, like I mentioned. And we'll be talking to you this Thursday in the Psych blog. If you got any questions, email me, tom@tomwillardtrading.com.